I'm Maria from Mary's World, and today I'm here to show you how to put a keychain on your amigurumi. You can use your amigurumi for everything, but I think for keychains they are quite cute. You can put in everywhere, in your keys, in your backpack. I find it really cute. So what do you need is something like this or similar to this. Focus, can you see it? And make it like this. So let's begin. So if you like this tutorial, if it helped you somehow, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you need any help at all, if you have some ideas for new tutorials, I will try to do my best to help you. So write in the comment section and I will promise to get back to you as soon as possible. So bye!